नमस्कार, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Me myself, Dr. Ramesh Chand Sharma, Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today's our topic is identification. Identification is the determination of the individuality of a person based on certain physical characteristics. It means exact fixation of personality. Corpus delicti, body of offense, essence of crime, means the elements of any criminal's offense. It means murder. The main part of corpus delicti is the establishment of identity of the dead body and infliction of violence in a particular way at a particular time and place by the person or persons charged with the crime and none other. Race. It can be determined by complexion, color of eye, hair, cloth, and skeleton. Cephalic index. Maximum breadth of skull divided by maximum length of skull multiply 100. It divides skull into dolichocephalic, long-headed. Its CI is 70 to 85. It's seen in the pure Aryans, Aborigines, and Negroes. Misati cephalic, its medium-headed CI is the 75 to 80 seen in Europeans and the Chinese. Third is the brachycephalic, short-headed CI is the 80 to 85. It's seen in Mongolian. Sex. It has to be determined in cases of heirship, marriage, divorce, legitimacy, impotence, rape, attractional. Sex chromatin is a small plano-convex mass laying near nuclear membrane called the Barr body. Accuracy of sex determinations from pelvis and skull is 98%. Barr body was first demonstrated by Dixon and Tarr. In buccal smear, Barr body is present in 20 to 80% of cell in the female. More than 25% cell are determined and 0 to 4% in male. Buccal smear is used in determination of sex. Examination of blood is used in determination of sex. Neutrophil leukocytes contain a small nuclear appendage of drumstick form Davidson body, help in sexing. In up to 6% of cells in the female but is absent in male. Sex of a developing fetus can be determined at the end of fourth month of intrauterine life. Intersex. It is an intermingling in one individual of characters of both sexes in varying degrees, including physical form, reproductive organ, and sexual behavior. It results from some defect in the embryonic development. It can be divided into four groups: gonadal agenesis. In this, the testes or ovarian have never developed the nuclear sex in negative. Gonadal dysgenesis. External sexual structures are present, but at puberty the testes or ovaries fail to develop. Klinefelter syndrome. The anatomical structure is male but the nuclear sexing is female. Sex chromosome is XXY, it means 47 chromosomes. There is delay in onset of puberty, behavioral disorder, and mental retardation. Small testes, infertility, gynecomastia, oospermia, increased urinary gonadotropin, Turner syndrome, the anatomical structure in female but the nuclear sexing is male. The sex chromosomes pattern is XO, 45 chromosomes. Earliest features is newborn girl is edema of hand and feet and loose knuckle folds. Other features short stature, bad neck, shield chest, renal defects, horseshoe kidney, and duplication of renal pelvis, cardiovascular defect, coarctation of pelvis, skeletal disorder, cubitus valgus, gonadal streaks seen in Turner syndromes. Mental status is normal. True hermaphroditism. In this, an ovary and testes are two ovotestes are present within the external genitalia of both sexes. Pseudohermaphroditism. Internally gonads tissue of only one sex is seen, but external appearance is of the opposite sex. Male pseudohermaphroditism. Nuclear sex is XY, but sex organs and sexual characteristics deviate to female form because of testicular feminization. Feminization. Female pseudo-hermaphroditism. Nuclear sex is XX, but deviation of sex organs and sexual characteristics towards male are seen due to adrenal hyperplasia. Skeleton. Recognizable sex differences do not appear until puberty except in pelvis, and the accuracy from this bone is about 75 to 80%. The determination of sex is based mainly upon the appearance of the pelvis, skull, sternum, and the long bones. Thank you.